Okay, so part 284C3m1b7c8e5. It's line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e5. Airfoil lift Bernoulli Magnus Force UFO 5G Wow Seti. And there's the alien radio signal. This video is going to be a key research airfoil lift ideas for the UFO spaceship, formulas, continue for new alien technology, fuels to use, and the fuels that we're talking about are self-regenerating, okay? So December 14, 2012, today is December 26. The keyword research continues from formula and data from Magnus Force effects in previous videos, 16 to 20 of them. I lost count. I said 15 in the last video, but I think there's more. So line 22f1fa19c3m, and that's preceding this one, okay? So there's about 15 or 16 before this one, and then guess what? There's going to be another 20 after it, because the formula continues. So line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e5, core Magnus Force airlift formula UFO 5G Wow Seti. December 8, 2012. My thoughts. Keyword from the data, Magnus Force spins from this for airlift wing technology for the UFO spaceship, a long-distance communications device into deep space, the core and engine. Its formulas are found in the WOW alien radio signals data. With the math equations plus the ideas are right or AIRL writes, keywords to form a picture from the keywords each number represents. Keyword to Google perpendicular lift force from previous data's keywords in the last video. Lift, quote from Wiki. A fluid flowing past the surface of a body exerts surface force on it. Lift is the components of this force that is perpendicular to the oncoming flow direction. It contrasts with the drag force, which is a component of the surface force parallel to the flow direction. It is the fluid. If the fluid is air, the force is called an aerodynamic force. December 8th, my thoughts. This sounds almost like the same as Magnus Force with the basketball. So here's a diagram showing lift, weight, drag, thrust with the airlift thing. Keyword aero forces. So next is train driver, automotive. Okay, so this was like a forum. These guys are talking, and I picked it up from the keywords, okay? November 2003. Can anyone provide the basic calculations for converting CD? His name is train driver, automotive. Can anyone provide the basic calculations converting CD and CL in the real force numbers? I have volumes of tunnel data in coefficient form, and I need to convert it to force numbers so that the end user can understand it. Thanks. Aerobab, Aerospace, 20 November 2003. I'm presuming this is what you are looking for. And there's his calculations there. Okay. This is L is the lift, D is the drag, RH shows the fluid air density, and V is the relative free stream velocity of working fluid. Okay. And I found that at www.eng-tips.com. So quote from Wiki, an airfoil shaped body moved through a fluid produces an aerodynamic force. The keywords are symmetric airfoil, keyword from data aerofoil lift two-way pressure, quotes and diagrams from blog. Increased velocity, decreased pressure. Bernoulli's principle. To understand how lift is produced, we must examine a phenomenon discovered many years ago by the scientist Bernoulli and later called Bernoulli's principle. The pressure of a fluid, liquid, or gas decreases at points where the speed of the fluid increases. Bernoulli found that within the same fluid, in this case high speed flow, is associated with low pressure, and low speed flow is with high pressure. This principle was first used to explain changes in the pressure of fluid flowing within a pipe whose cross-sectional area varied. In the wide section of the gradually narrowing pipe, the fluid moves at low speed, producing high pressure. As the pipe narrows, it must contain the same amount of fluid. In this narrow section, the fluid moves at high speed, producing low pressure. And it's uchit.net. Okay. December 8, self-replicating peptides, Magnus Force effect and formula keywords. I'm going to Google those in the next set of videos. Okay. And this is where it takes on another 20 videos where I had some previously about the self-replicating peptides, and they got mixed in with these because I got more keywords, and then they got divided and kind of pulled apart. So that's why they're all over the place. Sorry about that. Okay, thanks for watching.